What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is actually a very fun one because bam, Del Sol, I get to take it to the shop. I'm really happy about this because I've been working super hard collecting random parts and just late nights and stuff trying to get things prepared for the ability for me to bring my car to the shop and actually get to work on it. So I got a lot of cool stuff in the works, but first I gotta just get the car out of the garage, unbury it, and then get it to the shop. Yo, what up, guys? Okay, so car's out of the garage. That's good. Just gonna check a bunch of stuff under the hood, make sure we're all good there. Got everything back packed up into the garage for the most part, you know what I'm saying? But I got a bunch of random shit I need to kind of sort out another time. This may or may not be a B16 head I took apart earlier. I got a video of me doing that in the first place. There may or may not be a turbo kit underneath this, and then yeah, I may or may not have a lot of parts that I'm trying to get on this car because I've been storing it for a while and haven't had time. So good things ahead, promise you that. I'm gonna put a lot more effort into vlogging and doing what I'm doing now, essentially because like I miss doing this. Like I said, gotta get to the shop. Let's go. This wouldn't be a proper driving to the shop vlog if I didn't get gas. I know it's a B20, but I always put 91 in my car because, I mean, why not? Why not? I'm not nickel and diamond. I'm not nickel and diamond for 91, guys. I will just get taxed hard on this, dude, but whatever. Anyways, guys, yeah, got the car out. Don't have too many goodies in the trunk yet because I want to get sorted out and try to figure out everything that I need. Aside from that, grabbing gas, heading to the shop, and see how today goes. All right, pulling into the shop, guys. Just finally getting to work. Yeah, buddy.
I'm not strong enough. There's like a clip. There's no way. No.
Why you setting this to pick and pull?
It's wrecked.
It's wrecked. What happened?
It's terrible. It's smashed to pieces.
What happened?
Ball joint failed.
Ball joint failed. This guy went through a fence. That's rough, bro. So yeah, pick and pull on its way to pick this up.
It's Christmas Day.
It's Christmas Day for Heath.
Going crazy.
Heath's going crazy because it's
I've been here 5 months. I was leaving. Now I want all the parts.
Now he wants all the parts.
This is free pick and pull.
Free pick and pull.
This is sucky pull.
Suck. But yeah,
Sounds dirty.
this is that car.
Alright, fine.
But yeah, now it's just pieces, and yeah, as of right now, if anything they want, they're just pulling. It's on its way to pick and pull. Man. Note to self, always check your ball joints, just that they're in good condition and that you have your cotter pins and everything like that, because if one goes out, I'm pretty sure his wheel went straight to the right and he went into a fence near a playground. Was not a good experience for him. Black as night. Whew. This thing cleans up nice. Can't even tell. Let me get a little more light, back it up over here. Look at that. That's actually really nice black. But yeah, we gave it a bath yesterday. Customer's coming to pick this guy up. It's really clean. Special surprise today that I was gonna tell you about finally arrived. Don't put 2 and 2 together because it's not what you think, but it could be, but it's not. But I wish it was, but okay, let's get to it. So all of you know Shades Wade, when he essentially lost his car in the flood. He now has a K20A, so props to you, dude. Super happy for you. I, on the other hand, huh? What happened? Great.
The old guy.
Anyways, I have his old motor. I brought it all the way to the East Coast, or all the way to the West Coast rather, and I'm super happy because I'm gonna put it to some use, probably rebuild, check it out, make sure everything is actually really good. It's really cool. I'm really happy that I can make this engine live on longer, but check it out. Boom. Look at this, guys. That yellow actually matches the Miata. But yeah, this is a RSX Type S K20 A2 that made it all the way from Virginia to Fremont, California. I would love to basically put that thing into this thing, but I'm not actually going to do that because I want to put this in my RSX and make it actually a Type S, because right now it is an RSX S with a base motor. Long story, have a whole video about that. Either way, I really want to put this in my RSX, make that complete, and then I can move on to other things. But with that said, I'm probably just going to get this on an engine stand, clean it up, check it out, and then for the Del Sol, I plan on actually pulling this motor, possibly B20 VTEC, because I have all that, and then get it back on boost. That's been my mission for quite some time now. I used to have a B17 with a turbo, and then car went down. Then now I have a B20. Having a lot of fun with the B20, but now I want a B20V. Get my turbo kit back on it. I kind of promised this car it would always stay B series because just it's a 94 VTEC. It deserves it. I really love it. And then yeah, get boost back on it. This is a boosted car. Always been, kind of always wanted to be. But you know, things change. I don't know, but as far as that, super happy. Literally at the shop now, so just gonna start cranking on this really soon. All right, tag teaming Dave's S2000 here. Got all the fluids, getting that all changed out. Look at this exhaust though. Look how sick this is. This is like the Gerb S2000 exhaust. Random forum find of the mid 2000s. But yeah, pretty cool. Did you find the pads?
Not yet. I don't know what they are.
Okay. So you guys another peek at this guy. Some of you really like that. I'll check you out. I'll open the inside. Look at this though. Good gravy. All right, so back to this. We're out here. I got to do something with this. I got to put it somewhere in the shop. I haven't touched my Del Sol yet. I got to get that figured out. But yeah, super excited, but I got to actually figure out where all this is going, somewhere in the shop here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna steal one of these engine stands right here. These are owned by the guy who owns that. Everybody do me a favor, go on Instagram, hit this dude up, DLin128, and tell him, hey man, finish your Miata. It's probably been sitting there for like 5 years. There's probably like $5,000 in this like short block right here. What are you doing with your life? Just finish this shit. But yeah, hit him up, tell him Honda Vlogs said finish your shit, bro. I'm gonna take the non-built block off this engine stand and put my engine on it. Sorry, not sorry. All right, guys, so that's about it for today. Packed up, got the motor in, got to deal with that later. Like I said earlier, I'll probably put it on a jack stand. Really, really happy. Sol is in the garage. That means really cool stuff can happen. Probably gonna bring the head, get that built up, hopefully slap it on pretty soon. I don't know, I got a lot of ambitions, a lot of cool stuff I want to do, so hopefully I can knock this out. But now I can, you know, get here early, work late, and actually have my car. So a lot of walking around, a lot of talking. Next couple vlogs are going to be super cool. I've been trying to put out a lot more content, as you guys have seen. Hopefully the recap was as good as I hope it was. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one. Peace.